The Silver contract provides reliable coverage for preventive maintenance and driveline repairs. This includes, for example, engine, exhaust system, transmission, and drive unit. You also enjoy the convenience of connected service planning based on your truck's actual usage, ensuring service visits are kept to a minimum and at a time convenient to you. And because you know the costs up front, you also enjoy greater operational control. A well-serviced truck is more reliable, fuel efficient, and has a higher residual value. Our certified technicians keep your truck in optimal condition. We have the knowledge, a full range of Volvo tools, and the required diagnostics and database systems to make your workshop visit as efficient as possible. We only use genuine Volvo parts. The Silver contract lets you stay on top of your business without worrying about costly driveline repairs.